Well, guys, Shakti Kapoor, who played villainous roles for decades and then made the smooth switch to comedy, making us all laugh, recently revealed that his daughter Shraddha Kapoor will not be resuming work anytime soon. Now, the protective papa revealed कि भले ही shoot शुरू हो गए हो, he doesn't feel like it's safe for his kids to leave the house just yet. I mean, it's great that Shraddha doesn't have any projects that are currently work in progress or that have to be completed immediately, so she can take her time off. But having said that, on one level, it's great to be cautious about, getting out and going back to work, but on the other level, अगर हमारे मूवी स्टार्स शूट्स नहीं करेंगे तो फिल्में कैसे बनेंगी और थिएटर्स कैसे खुलेंगे और इकोनॉमी कैसे चलेगा? These are all very big questions and it just seems like a very tricky situation. Now, we will know only in time how things will actually function, but until then, here's the story.
We are transitioning from lockdown to unlock, and slowly but surely things are going back to how we knew them. People are going back to work in small numbers, and even B-Town is all set to resume shoots soon. But there is one actor who has been banned from going back to work by her family. She may have played a street dancer in her previous film, lekin Shraddha Kapoor is staying put firmly at home under strict instructions from her father, Shakti Kapoor, who was once one of Bollywood's most wanted villains before shifting to doing more comedy in the recent past. Speaking to a website recently, Shakti Kapoor revealed that he will not allow daughter Shraddha to go back to work anytime soon since he is worried about her safety. The concerned Papa Kapoor said, "I will not go out and work for now, nor will I allow my daughter Shraddha to resume work. I don't think the threat is gone. I know work is important, but not at the cost of one's life. It is still a very bad state of affairs outside." While the numbers of those affected by the pandemic are still high, the government has allowed film shoots to resume under strict hygiene and social distancing guidelines. Akshay Kumar recently shot an ad as well that is now on air and talks about moving ahead with precaution. But as a concerned father, Shakti Kapoor prefers his daughter to stay at home rather than risk catching the virus. Shraddha was last seen in Baghi 3 that opened to mixed reviews from critics and is rumored to be the new lead in the sequel to Malang. But sequel tabhi banega jab Shraddha ghar se niklegi. So looks like it will be a while before we see her back on screen again.